Hello guys and welcome back to Bittruth with your host Mark Luther. In today's video we are doing a daily mining video. Of course today is the 6th of January 2018. Now we had a live stream just about an hour ago, okay, and it was an hour, it was a test live stream. So if you were on that live stream, hopefully it was good. Let me know in the comments down below if the audio quality, video quality was good. Okay, I actually deleted the live stream because we didn't do much or did anything. So the next live stream will be very soon. I will let you know on the same day of the live stream at which clock exactly we're going to live stream. So now let's proceed. Okay, now we have mine $0.69, and sorry if you joined the live stream and it was really bad quality, but because I use the OBS software, it's really just a BS software at the current moment. Okay, the 94th payment issued on the 30th of May was long time ago, about 16 days ago. Shares, it keeps submitting shares. We started mining newly. Okay, if you know any Ethereum mining pools, let me know down in the comments below, and just put me the link of the a reputable pool, not any pool, okay, because most pools are just crappy, okay, just like these pump and dump coins pools. I just don't like them since they don't give you the real hash rate at the real moment, and they don't give you much information. Okay, if you used one, okay, please just link me to one of them. Okay, not nice hash, no SMOS or mining pool hub. I just like bat file mining, just raw mining. I mean, it's my ways of proceeding things. Cryptocurrency market has saw a hit just today and is now recovering. What I'm doing is that I'm doing a video about my trading strategy in this bear market and my plans, and I'm going to do a specialized video for that, and I'm going to teach you how to make money out of bear markets, which is the best way to make money, to be honest, because on bullish markets you have the prices go really fast up. The only way you can make money is either to cash out or just tether them. That's the only way. So now let's go on the articles for today news, and they're really promising articles that you're going to see. Exclusive: world's top crypto exchange Binance sets up bank account in Malta. Now Malta, from my experience, is in the middle of the Mediterranean Sea. If I'm wrong, correct me down below, but Malta is a really small country, really small. I saw on Google Earth, it's really small. How can a company like Binance, okay, really think, oh, it's a great place to actually set up? There's not much investors, there's not much money that can go into cryptocurrency from Malta. But what I believe, it's the new cryptocurrency island. That's what I believe. Okay, Changpeng Zhao, okay, the CEO and founder of Binance, revealed companies set up a bank account in Malta. Okay, Binance is currently in the works. Okay, the world's largest crypto exchange. Now here I need to actually stop the article, huge stop. Who told you Binance is the largest crypto exchange with $1.47 billion in trade volume? The problem is, in every article what they get, I feel like the people who write the article, they know nothing about cryptocurrencies, or either they just take the information as it is, copy paste, Control C, Control V. That's what they're doing. Okay, and that's really bad, and let me tell you why. Because OK Exchange is the largest crypto exchange, Coinbase is the largest crypto exchange, Binance is the largest crypto exchange. Please, people, make your mind up. Exchange one step closer to its plan to offer actual fiat to crypto deposits and withdrawals on its platform. But which banks in Malta? What if the US investors, or you have Chinese investors? I mean, Chinese investors are banned, but investors worldwide. Okay, improve the exchange's liquidity and facilitate new investors entering the space with fiat purchases. Described the new bank account as a very significant development since the exchange first revealed it was relocating its headquarters to the island, given its robust and transparent crypto regulatory climate. Now I feel Malta is such an island that has such a low economy, such a really poor economy, that they need anything to actually fill the hole. Okay, any company will do. That's what I feel. They're just desperate for anything to come, any solution that will help at least Malta get some like money going on their like side. Okay, offer to the service in Uganda, okay, and potentially Asia as well. CEO also reflected on Binance's progress in Malta, which he affirmed is going very well. Okay, revealing that the company is also in the talks with Malta Traditional Equities Stock Exchange about a possible future collaboration. Now here comes actually a bit more of let's say a bit more of that sweet cash that we want to see Binance rolling in it. Okay, buying some Lambos. CZ said Binance is now working on developing a decentralized exchange, which is currently a big priority project. Now this is a lie. Okay, I'm saying this is a lie because I made a video about this decentralized exchange they're doing, and all Binance managed to do is just giving away coins on their platform. If you have a priority, okay, for a company, okay, you need to build something so great that is going to change the way you're doing business. You don't throw cash around like Coinbase. Coinbase is investing through things. Okay, but Binance, what it's doing is giving away coins or burning BNB, or like burning BNB is not a bad idea, like giving away, but the fact is that they're giving away coins, but you need that coin. Okay, you need some of that like money to actually start building your project. Okay, decentralized exchange is no easy project. You need a lot of cryptographers, I think, and some like security stuff. Okay, and you need a lot of research, so it's not really an easy task like CZ is thinking it is. Okay, Binance revealed its plan to create a major $1 billion cryptocurrency based fund to support blockchain and crypto startups, which I think is for ICOs. So depending on who they are choosing, I think that will be the best choice of them. Now here comes another article which is a bit like let's say a bit like from fantasy. Okay, husband of Bollywood star questioned about $300 million crypto scam involvement, denies allegations. Okay, Raj Gondra, I think, a British businessman and spouse of a Bollywood star, Shetty, whatever her name is, okay, questioned Indian law enforcement, okay, ED, like this Amit something, okay, their names are in Indian, so it's not really easy. Alleged cryptocurrency Ponzi scheme, Quartz India reports Wednesday, 6th of June. So I think this guy and his brother, this guy, okay, they had been arrested in India on the 4th of April. I didn't know that they've been arrested on 4th of April because I didn't see them on my channel. Okay, on the charges of scamming about 8,000 investors out of around $300 million through their Gain Bitcoin investment scheme. The platform guaranteed 10% monthly returns, a claim not realized by investors. What 10% monthly returns? That's crap, man. We need BitConnect. We need 30%. I'm joking. Okay, and issued its own MCAP token in an ICO that is considered fraudulent due to the company's price manipulation. Okay, Amit something 100,000 investors at one point on the Gain Bitcoin network. Wait, you just said it's 8,000 investors. You jumped to 100,000. Anyways, received celebrity endorsements, including one form from Gondra's spouse, Shetty. So now let me tell you something, okay? The problem is not in these Ponzi schemes, but the people who endorse them. Okay, people like Craig Grant or Trevon James or Ryan Hildreth or what's that kid name? Crypto Nick or whatever the hell he was. Okay, these people are the most affected. It's not the people behind the Ponzi scheme, because they know it's going to fall. They knowing that it's going to fail. Okay, why even just the problem is with Ponzi schemes, you can actually really make a lot of profit or make a lot of losses. It's just the way that works and the way it will work through the traditional banking system. Ponzi schemes has been here for like hundreds of years. It's nothing new. But the problem is the people who endorse them, the people who put their life on risk, their life online, which is guaranteed to get them into trouble. That's the problem where it comes. Don't let money, okay, just lure you into a trap. Okay, even if they giving you like a lot of money, don't let yourself go into that trap, because you're going to have more losses. It's just like crypto tab or all these Ponzi schemes. Once you invest, you are guaranteed to lose them at one point, but where's that point? No one knows. Okay, so please just stay away from Ponzi schemes. I think there are still some Ponzi schemes lying around which I want to like maybe mention in the video in the future. Okay, I don't want to take much of your time, guys, so thank you guys for watching this video, and let me know what best time you think for live streaming on this channel, since most of the people watching my videos are from the USA, so I really want them to watch my live stream, since like the majority live there. So yeah, their timeline is literally night in our country, in England. So thank you guys for watching this video, and let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the live stream, and see you guys in the next video.